Hi, I'm Ron. We're at the Microsoft MVP Summit 2010, and I'm here with David Parker, a Visio consultant and developer, and an author of what'd you say, 1.5 books?
1.5 books. Nearly finished the second one.
Well, David, I wanted to ask you about a cool solution you made for one of your clients. It's what I think is really cool about it is it's designed to help support sales and adoption of their product. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes. I'd been introduced into this company by someone I'd worked with before who'd seen what I was doing with desk layouts in merchant banks. And he thought it was intriguing how I linked data to graphics. And he went to work for this an international network equipment manufacturer who had been using a drawing package to try and support their sales proposals. But because it was so labor intensive, dragging a shape and putting it onto the diagram, and it just took so long to draw them. So only a small percentage of the sales proposals actually could have drawings in them. It'd only be the ones that they really thought they were going to win. They'd do it. Yeah. So eventually they were convinced that if they had a pre-made product library, which has got some smart shapes in it, it would make their life a lot easier. I constructed them this library, and they put it up on their website. And within 3 months, there was 500 downloads. And it's now got to a stage where they have this little add-in in Visio as well, which gives them basically a product catalog explorer. So some of the guys who are doing the network rack layouts, they know the product codes, right? So they can go straight in, type in the product code, or search for it, and then go and drag and drop it. Some of them don't know exactly what they want. I want a patch panel, so it'll list all the patch panels, and they go and choose the patch panel, the right one. And the cool thing about Visio is that it does have this information about the product codes in there. So once they've actually laid the drawing out, which is so much easier now because they can do it interactively like this, it can actually produce a list of what they've got, a parts list, right? And from that, they can just add on the prices, and they've got a sales quotation, almost like that.
The people using this template, is that the sales staff? Or?
Well, it's a mixture. It is the sales staff. It was originally done for because it would make internally within that company, it would make their life easier, right? But they have a lot of third parties who use their equipment around the world, who are, they can just download it and they can use it. And then you get people who are just doing installations. They can just download it and use it. And because it's so much easier for them to use this manufacturer's equipment, they get more sales out of it.
Well, it sounds very cool, and I think it's a very creative and interesting use of Visio. And thanks for talking to us, David.
Okay, no problem.